Welcome to New Zealand, a captivating country with unparalleled natural beauty and rich cultural world. Let's delve further into this remarkable nation. New Zealand, a country situated in the Southwest Pacific Ocean, consists of two main islands, North Island and South Island, along with several smaller islands. Positioned in the midst of the Pacific Ocean, New Zealand is both isolated and blessed with extraordinary natural beauty. Constitutional parliamentary system, with a prime minister serving as the head of government elected by parliament. Legislative power is held by the House of Representatives, with members elected for the 3-year terms. The political party or coalition holding the majority in the House forms the government. The British monarchy is the official head of state, represented by a governor-general appointed by the monarchy for a 5-year term. The Governor-General has limited powers, retaining some residual authority to protect the Constitution and act in constitutional crisis situations. For instance, the Governor-General can dissolve Parliament under certain circumstances or reported by Britannica. New Zealand has a diverse climate ranging from subtropical in the north to tundra in the south, creating unique ecosystem and rich biodiversity. The north generally experiences a subtropical climate, while the south tends towards a maritime climate. In summer, temperature in the north can reach around 25 until 30 degrees Celsius, while the south might have lower temperature around 20 until 25 degrees Celsius. Winters in the north are relatively warm, with average temperature around 10 until 50 degrees Celsius, while in the south, winters are colder with average temperature ranging from 5 until 10 degrees Celsius. Rainfall varies across the country, with the north being generally wetter than the south. Mountains region of both islands play a crucial role in rainfall patterns and temperature. New Zealand is also known for strong winds, especially in the south, often referred to as the Roaring Forties.
Okay, 5 is agriculture, tourism, and livestock industries are the major pillars of New Zealand economy. The country is renowned for high-quality agricultural products such as milk, meat, and wine. Next, what is famous icon in New Zealand? First is Mount Cook, the highest peak in New Zealand, and the kiwi, a flightless bird symbolizing the nation, are two famous icons. Moving on to some tourist destinations in New Zealand. The first is Queenstown, a city on South Island known for its reputation as the adventure capital of New Zealand. If you visit during the winter, you can experience skiing in stunning surroundings. Next is Lake Tekapo, a small town off the edge of the Tekapo River. The river is famous for its reputation turquoise color, the backdrop of mountains. Lake Tekapo is one of the best spots in New Zealand to witness the breathtaking aurora phenomenon, especially from April to September. Next, New Zealand has a unique culture reflecting the Maori heritage, the ingenious people of the country, as well as influence from European and Pacific cultures. The rich Maori cultures and strong European heritage shape New Zealand's identity. Maori heritage embedded in daily life, with art, dance, mythology, and the Maori language still preserved and celebrated. Traditional dance like the haka, a Maori war dance, are often performed at various events, carrying meanings of aggression and group spirit. Traditional dance like haka and hagi, along with carving and weaving arts, reflect the cultural heritage of the country. Okay, the last composition citizenship in New Zealand. The current population of New Zealand is 5,254,800 874 with a growth rate of 0.738%. New Zealand represents 0.065% of the world's population, showing a low death rate and a stable birth rate, reflecting the well-being of its equity. With its stunning natural beauty, deep cultural richness, and harmonious equity, New Zealand is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure and unforgettable experience. Okay guys, thank you for joining us on our journey to explore New Zealand.